Hello students, welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to read Moral Science of Class 2, Chapter 8, Gifts of Nature, Part 2. In our today's class, we will continue the same chapter. In our last class, we learned that nowadays how we harming the environment by cutting trees for wood and fuel and also throwing rubbish in the rivers, etc. In our today's class, we are going to read a story that how a little girl protect the environment. So let's start. This is our earth, care for it. In her holidays, Neha went to Chennai with her parents. After visiting many places, they went to the beach. Neha was very excited. She saw the beach for the first time. When they reached there, Neha was surprised to see many people cleaning the beach. She asked, "Father, what are these people doing?" Her father said, "Today is the World Environment Day. That is why they are cleaning the beach." "But father, what will happen if they don't do this work?" asked Neha. "Neha, the beach will become dirty and people will not come here," said her mother. "Oh, mother, you are right," replied Neha. "Then come, let us join these people and help them to clean this place. This is our world. Let us take care and make it clean," said the mother. So student, like Neha, it is our duty also that we have protect the environment by many ways. Like we need to plant more and more trees so that air quality improves. Don't use plastic bags, save water. So students, saving environment is in our hands and it is only possible if each and every one of us takes the responsibility of it. And student, look at the book. The moral of the story is, this is our earth, we must keep it clean. Again I am repeating this is our earth, we must keep it clean. Now go to the next page. Exercise A. Now look at the copy. Gifts of nature. Answer these questions. 1. Write moral of the story. Answer is, the moral of the story is, this is our earth. We must keep it clean. Again I am repeating the same answer. The moral of the story is, this is our earth. We must keep it clean. Now question number 2. What is environment? What is environment? Environment is the natural world of land, sea, air, plants and animals. Again I am repeating the same answer. Environment is the natural world of land, sea, air, plants and animals. Now go to the next question. Question number 3. Which things do we get from environment? Answer is, from environment we get land to live, air to breathe, water to drink, plants for food and animals to serve us. Again I am repeating the same answer. From environment, we get land to live, air to breathe, water to drink, plants for food and animals to serve us. Question number 4. What will happen if we continue to pollute the environment? Answer is, if we continue to pollute the environment, then we will suffer. We not get pure drinking water. There will be no fresh air to breathe. Again, I am repeating the same answer. If we continue to pollute the environment, then we will suffer. We not get pure drinking water. There will be no fresh air to breathe. Now, question number B, exercise B, fill in the blanks. Environment is the most dash gift of God. The answer is environment is the most important gift of God. 3. Pollution is the biggest enemy of 2. Pollution is the biggest enemy of environment. Pollution is the biggest enemy of environment. 3. Animals and birds are killed for different uses. Animals and birds are killed for different uses. 4. If we pollute the air, there will be no fresh air to breathe. If we will pollute the air, there will be no fresh air to breathe. So, student, this is the end of our today's class. Do homework at home in your copy. Answer this question and fill in the blanks. Thank you.